حبك من قلبي يا قلبي انتي عينيا، حبك من قلبي يا قلبي انتي عينيا، تحت القناطر محبوبي ناطر، كسر الخواطر يا ولدي مهان عليا، كسر الخواطر يا ولدي مهان عليا، بتطول وتروح والقلب مجروح، ايام عالبال بتعن وتروح، ايام عالبال بتعن وتروح.
This is the No Evictions Carnival. It's been organised by the No Evictions Network, which is a network across Glasgow with different partners, including Living Rent, who are fighting the attempt by Serco, the conglomerate, to evict 300 asylum seekers in Glasgow over the next few weeks. We've had 3 evictions already the last couple of weeks, 2 on the south side. So it's really important that we organise now to try and stop that. There are lots of ways you can get involved. There's a public planning meeting on next Thursday, the 29th, at the Glasgow Autonomous Space on Kilburney Street on the south side. The details are on Facebook, but it's 6 o'clock at the Glasgow Autonomous Space. It's in the small industrial unit in Tradeston. We've also got the first responders team we're setting up. I said this before, do people here remember the poll tax, people who've maybe just joined us, where local people organised. When the bailiffs came to people's houses to take their possessions because they hadn't paid their poll tax, then they were prevented by local people. And we want to prevent these lock changes in the same way. So we need local people to sign up and let us know when they're available so we can call on people to go along to prevent bailiffs and Serco agents from changing the locks and making people homeless. It's a disgrace that people who found their way here because of really difficult circumstances, threatened with death, seeing their families killed in wars that our governments have perpetrated. They've come here and now we treat them like this. So I think there's an onus on all of us to do what bit we can. We can't all do everything, but there's a small part I think everyone can do. So I'd encourage you to get in touch, go to the Facebook page and message the page and someone will get back to you and you can become involved. We'd really like to thank everyone for coming out this afternoon. I think it's been a really brilliant show of solidarity here in Govan. Really important because quite a few asylum seekers have been housed here and in Lint House nearby. And we think there are quite a few in Cardonald as well. We've got less contact with people in Cardonald. If you know people who are asylum seekers who might be getting the letters, then please tell them about the No Evictions Network. We can be in touch with them, we can support them, we can help them try and get an interdict in the court to stop any lock change. And if they are unfortunately evicted, then we can help them in that situation. It's really important that we get in touch with those people at risk. So if you know anyone, speak to them, try and get in touch with us. So alright, so thank you very much for coming out this afternoon. Sit and enjoy the sun, but we'll be packing up now. That's the end of the afternoon.